Hey guys, Fishy here, and with the Brett Kavanaugh hearing confirmation chaos that's been going on, it's interesting to see what fakers are doing with that. There are a lot of fake images going around, there's a lot of fake stories going around, but there's also some probably legitimate stories, but they're being pushed by fakery sites. Now this is a step up from fakery, but it's still something that concerns me. So I have Lindsay Maddrell, or Lindsay, as I like to say here, sharing from MarylandDaily.site, and it's a Hillary Clinton quote, "American public deserve answers on the allegations against Kavanaugh." And of course that's repeated, that headline is repeated up here in the share text. And when I look at MarylandDaily.site, if you've been a viewer, a audience member of Unfakery for a while, you will recognize this template. And it is one that these fakers have used in a network of pages trying to get American clicks and hits and whatever. And I know this because I've been tracking it for a while. All these marked out names are profiles they used to share this content into groups before they were taken down. Some of them look like they might have been legitimate profiles, but they might have been dinged maybe because they were sharing this content. I don't know, but there are very few that are still online, and they're all from India and Pakistan. Every single one. Here's one from Morocco. I lied. All right, but most every one of them is out of India and Pakistan. So Lindsay deserves a much closer look. And when I look, it's a guy. His public posts. Are you serious? There is something going on in the fakery world with male pictures and women names. I don't understand it. I'm trying to figure it out, but I just want you to be aware of that. And it'll look like this. You'll have a name in bold, and then you'll have the nickname in parentheses, and the nickname of the woman should match the URL. Now, it doesn't in this case, but that is a pattern that is increasingly happening. And this one has 678 friends. But let's take a look. Lindsay is supposed to be in Los Angeles, California. Let's look at these friends, though. Does this look like a microcosm of Los Angeles, California? Not unless there is a Bollywood 2, maybe, that's parked there. None of this matches. It doesn't fit. And when I go look at the photos that this Lindsay profile has commented on, this is what I get. This is the array of things that Lindsay finds it very interesting and compelling to comment on. And when I get down back to this guy that we were just looking at, right here, I've already opened this one. Lindsay makes a comment, "Very nice," and he responds, "Thanks, Vikas Chauhan." And you look, and up pops Lindsay. It's a total fake. This is who the account used to belong to, Vikas. Either Vikas is one who's managing it or Vikas sold it. I don't know. But that's who this profile used to be. Lindsay is absolutely fake and sharing content from that fake site, whether or not this story is fake, sharing content from that fake site, that Facebook finds it very compelling to shut down and delete those profiles that have been sharing it because they come out of India and Pakistan. So again, as always, share this video, spread the word about Unfakery, help people see that this is happening, and help us put pressure on Facebook to do better about removing these faster so they can't be targeting Americans in groups like Trump is president with this fakery.